welcome to my channel. My name is Bernice. My channel is for the overall well-being of women 50 and older and inspiration for all.
Because if you're in the zone doing this thing and you get distracted by this quick little thing, it takes forever to get back into that zone that you were in. That's why it's way more important if you can put blocks of time together and then put fences around it that nothing touches it. You'll be way more productive. You can spend less time doing it and get way more done just because you're chunking similar things together.
And then kidney donor updates on myself, and periodically I will collaborate with my daughter for Mom and Tiff funny stories. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload. I've been talking about air fryers. I've talked about the benefits of air fryers and how to condition your air fryer. Today's episode, I want to talk to you about using breadcrumbs or panko breadcrumbs. Now, panko is also bread. And so if you've never heard of panko, this is how panko is made.
Yeast-risen wheat bread ground into slivery-shaped crumbs. In Japanese, the word pan means bread and ko means small pieces. So panko means small pieces of bread. Only at the end of the oven can you feel the heat generated by the freshly baked hot bread. This special process creates a loaf without a crust. The whole loaf is white and has a soft bread texture. The bread is ground using a proprietary screen which creates a large and sliver-shaped crumb.
I would be using panko and regular breadcrumbs to coat chicken breasts, and then I'm going to air fry both of them and then show you what it looks like and how they were when we tasted them. As you can see, the chicken breast on the right is coated with panko and the chicken breast on the left is regular breadcrumbs. So after the air fryer, this is how they looked. And they both were golden. They both taste delicious, and they were both moist inside, but the panko coated one was crunchy, whereas the regular breadcrumbs wasn't as crunchy because it's so fine. Anyway, it was absolutely delicious. Leave your questions in the comments.